Hi everyone, my name is Sam Smith. I decided to do my video over a social issue, the education and income issues that come along with it. The point of the topic that I would like to try to get across is whenever you make a lot of money, it seems like your education is going to be better, and that's also gives you a better opportunity to get to a better school system. So education and income issues are always going to be a hot topic in our society. Our school systems are always in a constant state of flux, and reform seems to be just a part of our lives and our children's lives. In our society, we have determined the more education equals a higher standard of living, which is the catch-22 for many of the poor. High school graduates earn more than high school dropouts, but not as much as a two-year college graduate, who do not earn as much as a four-year college graduate, and so on and so forth on up the educational ladder. Of course, the issue is more complicated than this, with gender, race, ethnicity, your birth family, and even your neighborhood. You are said to play a role in what type of education an individual can get. Once we move to the ranks of the college graduates and graduate degrees, the degree of status and exclusivity of the college or university also matters. The kind of social access attained with the degree varies from school to school. Providing a solid education from kindergarten to college is obviously vital for the future of all of our children. A well-informed population is necessary to move forward in terms of social progress and educational technology. This is often why education policy issues tend to trigger passionate arguments. We all have an investment in the future, and we all want our children and young adults to receive the best educational opportunities possible. Some problems with educational systems reflect current political issues and social issues, with problems like income inequality, gender divides, and civil rights issues bleeding into our school systems. The ongoing gun debate also affects school safety. The rising cost of higher education shows the increasing class divide in America. Even though parents, students, faculty, and political parties can't agree on how to fix these current problems, we do all agree safety and testing and funding are necessary as we move forward for the good education. So what's wrong with our education programs today? Which issues need to be tackled immediately? On-campus safety issues, bullying, loan forgiveness, or the price of our education, period. Imagine a perfect educational system in which all students receive a perfect education, whatever that might mean. Every student graduate from high school knowing everything that the high school student is supposed to know. Every high school graduate goes on to the very best college and graduates knowing everything that college graduates are supposed to know. Carry this process on as far as you like. At the end of the day, with all this perfect education, would the supply of perfectly educated workers elevate the salary of the greeter at Walmart or the McDonald's employee, or reduce the unemployment? My point is that when we look at education to explain economic inequality, we are engaging a blame the victim game in which the poor are blamed for their poverty. If they had only stayed in school, they would not be poor today, right? There is a lot to think about and discuss in this issue of a better and equal education for all. I hope you all enjoyed all this information. It was fun gathering it all and learning a little bit more about the inequalities of the educational system across America. Thank you.